All right, I am with Kevin Felder. Kevin is a Medicare Account Manager here at Lourie Life and Health. Just a great guy, one of the nicest human beings you'll ever meet in the world. Has a great clientele that absolutely loves him, as do all of us here at Lourie Life and Health. Kevin, I want to ask you a few questions about Medicare Advantage, because one of the things we try to do here in our company is help our clients maximize whatever plan they've enrolled in. We want them to take full advantage of all the benefits. So let's talk a little bit about that. What are some of the benefits in a Medicare Advantage plan that we want clients to know about that may be in their plan and they should be taking a hard look at?
So there are several benefits that can be in a Medicare Advantage plan. Some of the key ones are dental coverage, vision coverage, over-the-counter cards, and gym memberships.
Wow, so let's break that down. And again, these are not mandatory, but they could well be in your plan. And of course, we explain to a client when they enroll in a plan what the extra benefits are. Let's talk about the importance of vision. I'm not quite of the Medicare age, but my vision today is not what it was 20 years ago. What's the importance of that, Kevin?
Sure thing. So, a lot of people, the first thing when they think of vision, they may think, well, I don't wear glasses.
Right.
So I may not go to get my eyes checked that often, but having that routine eye exam can kind of keep you from having a issue that's bigger down the road. Like you could catch something like glaucoma early on.
That you may not be aware of until the pressure changes enough when you are aware of, and had we caught it earlier, it could have been prevented with some simple prescription eye drops, right?
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So you'll get your routine eye exam. Some plans do provide you with a pair of lenses.
Right. And that would be glasses or contacts?
Glasses or contacts, right. Frames, so some plans give you a certain amount that you can use per month or per year. And some plans will just provide you with a certain type of glasses, and you get to choose from your frames, like the color or the size.
Kevin, there's a lot of research out there, and you'd mentioned dental, about how just cleanings, x-rays, how those simple dental visits can really prevent other types of illnesses and treatments later in life. These plans, a lot of them will cover dental, and speak to that for us.
Yeah, so a lot of plans do have a fairly sizable amount of coverage. It could be as minimal as getting your routine cleaning, right? Just or the oral exam,
right.
The dental bite wing x-ray, just things that people kind of take for granted. Oh, I don't have any problems with my teeth, they feel fine. But having that routine cleaning, getting that oral exam, getting the x-rays done, and typically at no cost, can prevent some of those larger, costly dental issues down the road.
People can develop gum disease,
Right.
which can lead to other infections. A lot of times you can develop heart disease, can come from some sort of mouth or gum infection. Right. So, we encourage our clients to take advantage of these benefits that are at minimal extra cost to them, but can really help them be healthier and live longer. All right, you talk about one we could both take advantage of. That's the gym membership, okay? So what do you mean? Yeah, there you go. That's the gym membership, right? What is a gym membership, and how does that work into a plan?
Yeah, so gym memberships, a lot of plans do offer those at no cost as well. Yeah. So, these networks are getting larger and larger. That's a benefit a lot of people are asking for. Cost tends to be a prohibitive factor. When you think about how much a gym membership costs, well, if it's included in your Medicare Advantage plan, that may encourage you to go a little bit more often, right?
I couldn't agree with you more. And my dear mom's a great example. She loves to go, whether it's to walk around a track. We see more and more seniors living longer because they're exercising regularly. They're walking on a track, getting on a treadmill, doing some light weights, doing yoga, swimming. And so many times all of this is wrapped up into a Medicare Advantage plan. And again, it's really our goal at Lourie Life and Health is to make sure that people are in the plan that fits their needs and budget, and that they take advantage of the benefits so that they live healthier and longer lives. Right?
Exactly.
All right, what is an over-the-counter benefit? The last one I want to ask you about is, you mentioned an OTC benefit, over-the-counter.
Right.
What does that mean?
So you see these all over television, right? That's probably one of the most requested items in a Medicare Advantage plan that I get calls about. Do I get a flex card?
And what is a flex card?
So a flex card typically has a certain dollar amount on there that you can use for over-the-counter items at your pharmacy or at your local grocery store or convenience store. Some cards even give you the ability to get healthy food items with that card.
Depends on the plan. Yeah, depends on it. And over-the-counter items could be things like what?
So like toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwash, Q-tips, yep, rubbing alcohol, you know.
Just things that you're gonna buy, but why not use your flex card and save on that expense?
Exactly.
Yeah, and a lot of plans will either give you a catalog to choose from and you can have it shipped to your house, or you take the flex card and you use it, as you said, in your grocery store or pharmacy.
That's right.
Kevin Felder, you are the man. Thanks for joining us, buddy. All right,
Thank you.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.